Hi guys, in this video I am going to review Klairs Illuminating Supple Blemish Cream SPF 40 PA++, and by the end of this video we will be achieving a no makeup look. So stay tuned till the end. Now let me tell you that before I apply my BB cream, I go on with the application of a moisturizer for that added hydration, as I have a dry skin type, and if it's too hot out there then I'll also apply a sunscreen for that added UV protection, though this cream also comes with 40 PA++ SPF. Today though the weather seems to be cool outside, so I'll apply only my moisturizer, and you can take any of your moisturizer. Here I'm taking this Plum's rice water and niacinamide moisturizer, and I'll apply it all over my face, and once it gets settled in on my skin for like 2 to 5 minutes, then only I'll apply my BB cream. So it's very important that whenever you do your skincare products should get absorbed properly into your skin before you go on with the application of any kind of makeup, or in my case this BB cream. I've taken my Klairs BB cream. Now let's see its texture. You can see this is quite creamy and lightweight, and I've only taken piece size quantity of this product, and right now I'll apply this only on one side of my face so that you can instantly see the difference. And I use my fingers to make some dots on my face before I blend it with the help of my fingers only. The warmth of my fingers help in the proper blend of this product. You will see what I mean. Its coverage is between light to medium, and you can also build this product. It's quite buildable. Can you see the natural glow that I got instantly after I applied this product? See the difference here. Very minimal coverage, but the glow is so beautiful. I like such natural coverage. Purpose of a BB cream is that it has a lighter formulation than a foundation, and you can see that this product really comes true to its purpose. Really like the subtle glow that this product gives. To build some more coverage around my eye area, I take the product and I apply it beneath my eyes like so, and then again I blend it with the help of my finger. Can you see this side of my eyes has got brightened up after I applied the second layer of the product? So I don't even need to apply a concealer when I am using this BB cream. And it's really very easy to blend using your finger. You do not need any kind of brush or a beauty blender to blend this product. Wow, what a seamless finish. See the difference over this side in comparison to this side. Pea size amount of product that I took is still left on my hand, and now I'll take this again and I'll apply it on this side of my face. I'll quickly blend this, and I like this product to get that radiant finish, and it is best for those days when I'm not looking for a lot of coverage but a natural finish, or when I like to do a no makeup look. Again, beneath my eyes I apply a little more of this product to build some more coverage. and here it is. This is how my face looks after I've applied this BB cream all over my face. This is just absolutely stunning for my personal taste, at least. Let's do a no makeup look on top of this. So I'll apply a blush. So let me take it. For my blush, I'm taking a creamy blush. This is from Insight brand and the shade name is Watermelon Popsicle. What a beautiful name, right? I'll take a little bit on my finger and I'll apply it like so. And then I'll quickly blend this using my finger only. Okay, I've taken a lot of product. So I have to blend a little more to get this color look little bit natural, not too much. It's okay. If I would have used a beauty blender, then I would be able to blend this little easier, but in this video I'm trying to apply my products using my finger only, so it'll take some time to blend this blush because I've applied a little too much. Okay, I've blended this and I've decreased the intensity here. Now let's blend this baby, and then if needed we will come back on this side. Mostly I apply this blush with the help of a beauty blender, but yeah, today just for the sake of this video I'm using my fingers, so I ended up applying a little bit more of this blush than what I intended to, but no worries, I can blend this baby. So you can see here the intensity is just the right amount. It is looking like flushed cheeks that I wanted because we are going for a no makeup look. So we want to go with blush, but we do not want others to know that we have actually applied a blush. Here we need to just do a little bit more of blend and then we will be okay. I'll use a little bit of what I applied here and I'll apply it on my nose just like this. Whoa, so yeah, so this blush thing is done. Now let's apply a contour. For my contour I'm taking this foundation stick from Nykaa and this one is in the shade 07, and I'll just apply a little bit of contour because we want to achieve a natural looking look, but because I have a round face, so just to create some depth I like to go on with the contour. You can totally skip this if you do not like contouring that much, but you can see here I've applied a very little amount of contour here. This would be the first time that I'll be blending my contour with the help of my finger, but let's do it. Anyways, I've applied very little amount of the product, so I would be able to blend, as you can see. Okay, by the end of this video we will be able to get a no makeup look, and I'll also talk about some pros and cons of the Klairs BB cream, so stay tuned till the end. For my lips, first I'll be applying a lip liner, and this is a peachy nude lip liner, and first I'll line my lips and then I'll also apply this liner all over my lips. Done. Now taking this lip gloss from e.l.f. and this one is in the shade Wild Rose. This is also very beautiful new shade, and this will complement my lip liner. And these days I am in love with lip glosses, so this is also a good lip gloss when applied over a lip liner. And as this is a nude lip gloss, so this will complement our no makeup look. Whoa. For my mascara, I'm taking Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and for most of my no makeup look, I prefer to apply a mascara which is not waterproof, but right now I had this mascara only handy with me, so I'm going on with this one. I will apply it very slightly like so that my eyelashes still looks that I've not applied mascara, even if I have. So yeah, very slight motion like this to achieve a very natural looking lashes. I guess this is it. I think this is a very good no makeup look. Still, I'm thinking that my eyes are looking a little bit incomplete, so I'll be taking a brown eyebrow pencil. Like I would have taken a brown eyeliner, but right now I had my eyebrow pencil handy with me, so I'll just apply it on the outer edge of my eyes like so, just very light. This one little step just made my eyes that yeah, it's not that empty, and it is not an empowering look as well. This is still looking quite natural, but my eyes are looking like they are complete now. So that's it for a no makeup look using my BB cream. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of this Klairs Illuminating Supple Blemish Cream. When it comes to its pros, I could say that it gives a very natural finish that I absolutely love. It also comes with UV protection. It has UV 40 PA++ protection, so you get some kind of UV protection if you use this product. Third, I would say that this product is quite hydrating once I apply this on top of my moisturizer. As my skin is a dry skin type, I can still feel my skin to be looking hydrated, and there's no dry patches on my face even after applying this product. And yeah, that's why I really love this. Now if I talk about some other pros, then fourth point would be that I love this product when I'm traveling, because when I'm traveling I just want to make my makeup very quick, and this really comes handy for those days. It is also great for achieving no makeup look. And if I could also add, then this is a very great product for regular office usage. You can apply this for your office look, and nobody would know that you have applied any kind of makeup, because this is literally skincare plus makeup kind of BB cream. And to be honest, few days back I applied this product and I went to my office, and my colleagues were complimenting me for my skin, and I told them, okay, it's not only skincare, I've applied a little makeup, but yeah, they cannot even tell that it is makeup, because it's like, as I said, it's skincare plus makeup. And this is a BB cream, so it's very light formulation, so you wouldn't even know that you have applied something until you touch it, or yeah, you can see the difference on your skin. So yes, you would know, but I'm not sure if others would be able to tell that. So this product is really amazing. Now let me come to cons, and there is a one con that is real heartbreaking, and that is that this product comes only in one shade, and this one shade cannot justify all the beautiful Indian skin tones that we have. So that's a big con. only medium to fair skin tone girls could try this product. Other skin tones would not find this as effective because this shade is really too light. That's a very big disadvantage of this product. If I have to conclude this, overall I would say personally I'm in love with this product. I'm going to buy this product literally again and again. But yes, for this brand I have to say that if they want to attract the international customers, then they have to become inclusive and they have to come with more shades of this product. This product is really great, so I really would like that the brand come with some more shade range. On that note, I would like to say that this is it. This was my review. I hope you find this review useful and let me know your thoughts about this product in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye.